What's going on? It's Katie here, and today I'm going to show you how to track a moving object and add text to it like this in DaVinci Resolve. Let's hop into it. Move the playhead to the beginning of your clip, then head over to the Fusion tab. Press Shift and Spacebar and type in Tracker. Make sure it's connected like this, and then adjust the tracker point to be on your finger. Press Track Forward and let's see if it goes all the way through. Alright, so it got most of the way, but not quite everything, so move back to where it got off track. Adjust the track point to be on the finger again, and then press this to track one frame at a time. Let's zoom in a bit so we can see a little better. Now track, move the track point. Track. Track and move the point again. Do this until you get all the way through to the end. Now at the end, I'm just picking somewhere on my finger to have the text follow it out of frame. Add text and then drag the green point onto the tracker node so that they're connected. Click on text and write whatever. Click on the tracker node, go to operation, and change it to match move. Lastly, grab and drag the text to be placed where you'd like it, then resize it, change the font and color, and you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and drop a comment as to what you'd like to see next. I'll see you next time with another video.